Today I'm going to be breaking down the double dumbbell front squat. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we get into another squat variation. If you haven't seen any of the other squat videos, let me break it down real quick for you. Feet straight ahead or slightly turned out. Here's the difference maker. Your feet have to be intentionally screwing into the ground, externally rotating, so that your glutes are locked on. If you're here, talk about having a strong core, it doesn't just mean your abs, it means your glute as well. Your entire trunk, your entire midline here. So lock down your feet first. That will make, when you squat down, if you're pushing out, it'll make your knees go out. The rule is we're trying to get the hips below your knees. Double dumbbell front squat. Stack it up on your shoulders. Lock down the ribs here. So always thinking glutes and core, so hollow body position. The harder you push out in your knees, the more upright your torso is going to be. So you need to be thinking glutes, abs, exhale. Glutes, abs, exhale. That's the double dumbbell front squat. Get after it.